Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize connect Airtable to Softr detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with connecting Airtable to Softr, first, ensure you have accounts for both platforms. Log in to your Airtable account. Open the base you want to connect with Softr. Click on the share button located at the top right of your Airtable base. In the sharing menu, select create a shared link. Ensure the link permissions allow this base to be viewed by anyone with the link. Copy the shared link provided. Now, switch over to your Softr account. Log into Softr and select the application you want to connect to Airtable. Navigate to the Data section in the Softr dashboard. Click on Add Data Source. Choose Airtable from the list of data sources. You will now be prompted to enter your Airtable API key. To find your API key, go back to Airtable and click on your account icon in the top right corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find your API key and copy it. Return to Softr and paste the API key into the relevant field. Next, paste the previously copied Airtable shared link into the appropriate section in Softr. Click Continue to move to the next step. Softr will now attempt to verify your Airtable connection. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can customize how you want to display Airtable data within Softr. Select the appropriate templates or components in Softr to showcase your Airtable information. Set your filters and sorting preferences to display the data as needed. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your changes. Finally, preview your Softr application to ensure that Airtable data is displaying correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully authorized the connection between Airtable and Softr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.